Here we are implementing RNS and LNS based addition and subtraction units for cryptography. Okay. So what do you mean by RNS and what do you mean by LNS? So RNS in the sense residue number system. LNS in the sense logarithmic number system.
Number
Okay.
system.
So based on that, we are
Okay.
doing addition and subtractions. Okay. So which can be used for the cryptography. Okay. So cryptography is the application we can make with that. Okay. So next thing,
Okay.
just 1 second. So here, first of all, let us see RNS. So what is RNS does? Okay. So so in RNS, whatever the binary number system is there, so in that binary number system, it is called position number system. Like position in the sense we are having like 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 3, like that. Okay. So this comes under binary is nothing but position number system.
Okay.
Position number system. Now, now, if we are going to add something in binary number, suppose if I want to add 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, okay, and next I want to add 1, 1, 0, 1. So I want do these two numbers to be added. So then what we will do here? So so firstly, we will add this 1, 0. Okay. So 1 second. Firstly, we will add this 1, 0. 1, 0. Sorry, 1, 1. So we will get some 0. Then next, we will generate a carry here. Okay. What is the carry? So that is 1 here. So now 100. Sum is 1. Again carry is generated. So carry will be here. So 001. Again sum is generated. So again carry is generated here. 011. So 0 and next 1. If you see this process, so for each and every bit calculation, one carry is needed. Okay. So carry is generating. So for generating the carry, we need some delay. Okay. The circuit needs some delay. So suppose it is for the 4 bit, then 4 delay. Suppose it is for the 8 bit, so 8 delays are there. So like that, if we are going for the 64 bits, then we are having like 64 bit delays, means 64 delays. So this is one of the drawback in the binary number system. Okay, whenever we are going to add those numbers. So for that purpose, here we are going for the residue number system. So what is a residue number system in the sense? It is just like a decimal number itself, but it is taking always it is taking mod. Okay. So mod with something, suppose something number is there. Okay, so whatever will be the number, so that is done mod with, okay, prime numbers, especially prime numbers. Okay, so first point, that is RNS should be in RNS the mod should be prime number. So why prime number in the sense? So what do you know by prime number? What do you know by prime number? The number which is multiplied by itself. So those are like 2. Okay, then next 3, then 5, then next 7, then next 11, 13, 17. Okay, so these are all the prime numbers. So this is the thing what we are going to do now. Suppose if I am having a numbers like, suppose first thing, these whatever the prime numbers I have taken, this is called moduli set 2, 3, 7. Suppose I am taking these three moduli set 2, 3, 7. Okay. So this is the my moduli set. Now what I want to do is, suppose I am having a number that is 7, 6, 5 something. Okay, so this is the number I am having, and next I am doing these three numbers with a moduli of 2 comma 3 comma 5. So now how it will be done? So 2 is divided by 7. So what will be the remainder? Remainder is
1.
1.
1.
Okay. Then next comma 3 is divided by 6. What will be the
6.
remainder?
0.
So 5 is divided by 5. So what will be the remainder? 0.
0.
Yeah. So this is the output. This is the output of our residue number system. Okay, we have to
Yes.
take like this. Suppose
Okay.
if you want to convert this into the 765. Okay, so what we have to do here? What I am having is 1. Okay, so here 1 is there. What was the moduli 2? Okay, so what we have to do here? 1 plus 1 plus 2 into quotient. So whenever we are dividing, we will get the quotient even. Okay, so then
Yes.
next 0 plus, okay, 3 into quotient. So 3 into quotient. So this is 3 into quotient, comma. Then next, that is 0 plus 5 into quotient. So 5 into quotient is 1 here. Okay. So now if it means if we write these values, uh, we will get like this: 1 plus 2 into 3, 6. So this is 6 and this is 1, 7. So we got 7, comma. So 0 plus 3 into 2, we got 6. Then next 0 plus 5 into 1,
5 into
so 5.
5.
So we got our original numbers. Okay. So
Okay.
now you see my numbers are 767, 765. Okay. Whenever I am giving some moduli set, that is prime numbers 2, 3, 5. So I got number like 100. So see, input is 765, output is I am getting 100 like this format. So it is purely changing. Okay. So we can't, if suppose, uh, don't consider this one. If suppose anyone given you 100 and they have not given you the moduli set also. So how can you get the numbers, that is output is 100? How can you get the inputs from that 767, 765? Is it possible? Is it possible?
No.
No. Okay. So for that purpose, we can use these type of number systems, RNS number system in cryptography. Okay. So when can we crack this output? Only when we are having this
Only with
module set.
the module set.
So that is the thing why we are using this RNS in the uh, what I can say RNS in the
Cryptography. Cryptography.
cryptography. Okay, so you can see your paper. All those things has been given. How we are doing RNS additions. So that is what I have explained you in one point itself. Okay, so you can go and read for that. So next thing about logarithmic number system. So in logarithmic number system, so it is given like this. See, it is represented in the form of floating point representation. You know floating point representation?
Yes, sir.
Do you have idea on that?
Floating point representation.
No, yeah.
Sir.
Having any idea on that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, then no problem. So depending upon the floating point representation itself, so we are doing like logarithmic a into b. Suppose if I want to make a logarithmic a into b, so the formula, as you know, from our like 8th standard onwards, we are going to learn this formula. That is log a
Yes.
into b. So log a plus b, log a by b, log a minus b,
Log.
log a power b, b log a. Okay. So log 2 a plus b, a plus log 2 1 plus 2b minus a. Okay, so nothing but if you can see here, this is purely based on this logarithmic number system. Suppose if I am having log 2, so log 2, I cannot write base here, 1 minute, you know, log 2 base 2. What is the value of log 2 base 2? This is the value, that is 1, you know, log 2 base 2. So this is the value 1. Okay, so if you are having like this, so log 1 minute, log 2 and something a power n. Okay, so that will be represented as n log base 2 and a. Okay, now suppose I am having log 2 power 3. So how it is represented? Nothing but 3 log base 2 and 2. So that we will get 3 into 1. 3 into 1. Okay. So this is for the simple. If having any fractional numbers, then we are going for the, that is floating point representation. So what is that? Sign bit, then mantissa, okay, and exponential forms. Okay. Now suppose if I am having two numbers, that is log 2 to the power of 3, and next I am having log 2 to the power of 4. What we are going to do here? So here we will get 4 log 2 to the power of 2. So which gets here 4 into 1. So if I want to add these two, so we will get output, that is 7. So that is what we are doing here. Okay. Now, so yeah, suppose if my numbers are 2 power 3, consider my numbers are 2 power 3. So 2 power 3, what is the number here? So 2 power 3 is 8. 8. And 2 power 4. And 2 power 4 is 16. Is it? So these number we are representing in the form of only 3, 4, like this. Okay. Means again, it is like used for the encoding purpose, cryptography. Okay. Means we cannot get means we cannot accept the values, expect the values of input from the output. Okay. So whenever we are getting like that outputs, then we can use those for the cryptography. Okay. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now next thing, what are the extension we are doing for this? So this is all about the two number systems. What we are doing for the addition and subtraction. So why addition and subtraction needed for it? Can you tell me? What is the purpose here? So why we need addition? First thing, addition and subtraction. So here in our processor, we are having block known as ALU, arithmetic logical unit. So in that arithmetical logical unit, we are having arithmetic operations. So what are that arithmetic operation? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, okay, exponential, all these powers of arithmetic. Okay. So what if whatever the arithmetic logic block present in this processor is very slow? Whenever it is making some operations, it is very slow. So what happens? So the load will go for the processor. Now the processor will become slow. Is it? Processor will become slow. Once the processor will become slow, the system goes slow. Okay. So whenever we system goes slow, then we will get irritated. So if it is hang, our system or our mobile, if it is hang, so of course we'll get irritated with that. So slow in the sense giving more delay. As the human beings requirements are going on increasing. So what is the useful of that circuit if it is giving more delay? Got it? So what is that use? So no use if it gives more delay. So if delay is more, even the power consumption will also get increased. Means nothing but it will get means takes lot of power. Okay. So of course, the battery life of that product, whatever the product or circuit or electronic gadgets will be decreased. So these are the all problems what we are getting through this. If any one of the circuit will give slow results, so then for that purpose, day by day, what we are going to do, we are going to do something new. So that is, it gives less delay and less power
Let's.
consumption. So like this. So for that purpose, see in this, suppose I have used binary system. So binary system, you got to know that whenever we are using so many carries are there. Okay. So for every bit, there is a carry generating. So which is nothing but whenever one carry is generating, some one delay is generating. Okay. But in this, we don't have such type of in residue number, we don't have such type of changes. So such type of carry generatings. So that's why we are going for the in new ALU. So which is designed with the RNS. So which is fast. So this ALU will be implemented in the processor. Now processor will become fast. The next system will become fast. So this is the idea. Simple. Okay. This is the idea behind that. So as a extension here, what we have taken RNS in this RNS number system. So we have taken that is extension part. We are having that is thermometer coding. And next is one hot coding. Okay. So these are the extension parts. Okay. So in thermometer coding, suppose I am taking like 0 to 7 numbers. Okay, for the thermometer encoding and thermometer coding and water. So thermometer coding is represented like this. Thermometer coding representation. So this is called TCR, and one hot coding OHR, one hot representation. Okay. So let us see how we can do that. So before going to this, suppose I will write here for indexes. In OHR, we need to, so we need for TSR and OHR, we need index. So what is index? 5, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is my index, and here it is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and also take here 7 even. Okay. So now suppose my number is 1. First of all, 0. So 0 in the sense in TCR, so there is no number of 1. So ones are not there. Okay. So 0 in the sense 0 itself. So we have to represent in TCR, that is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 in TCR. In OHR, whenever it is 0, only 0th index value will get 1 and remaining is 0. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and next 1. So we will get like this. Okay, in OHR. So now in 1. So 1 in the sense number of ones are 1 here. So now in TCR 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So what we are going to see in TCR, that is number of ones. Number of ones. And in OHR, the index value. Index value. Okay. So now 1. Okay. So this is representation in TCR. Now in OHR, you can see the 1 index will be enabled and remaining is 0. So 0, 0, 0, 0, sorry, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, like that. Okay. So next 2. So 2 in the sense we have to take number of ones 2. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, sorry, 1, 1. So this is 2. Then next here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay. So like this, we have to do up to 6 or 7. Did you got it? Idea of TCR and OHR?
Yes, sir.
So suppose if I want to add TCR, okay. So suppose if I want to add like these 2 bits. A is equals to 4 and B equals to 5. So what is that? So nothing but it is 9. Okay. And if I add these two, A plus B, that equals to 9. Now I want to do mod of 9 number 7. So 7 is a prime number we know. So we get output that is 2. So but how we will get it? Let us see. Okay. Next, see. A is equals to 4. So first thing I am going for the TCR. So A is to 4, B is equals to 5. A plus B 9. So A plus B we are getting 9. So we are taking a mod of 7. So we are getting 2. Okay. So now we have to represent this in the TCR, thermometer coding. So let us see how we can do that. So A is represent like this: 0, 0, 0, 0. Sorry, 4 ones are 4 ones. So 4 is nothing but 4 ones. 1,
4
1,
ones.
1, 1. Okay, that's it. So now B equals to, I will write here, mm, B equals to, how many numbers of ones are there? 5.
5.
1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, done. So if I count all the number of ones in these two, so how many are there?
5
1,
plus 4.
2, 3,
5
4,
plus
5,
9.
6, 7,
9 ones.
8, 9. Okay. So what I am doing, I will write all the 9 ones first in the LSB part. So, and how many zeros are there? 3 zeros are there. As you can see, 2 zeros and here 1 0. So in MSB part, I will write 0. So 0, 0, 0, then all ones. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then next 8, then next 9. Okay. So now just say, so here what I am going to do, here I am going to do the index for each and every bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, got it. So what I am doing is mod of 7, is it? So mod of 7 in the sense we have to take this 7. So what is the value we got here? 7. That is 1. Okay.
1.
So whenever we are getting 1, we have to see the output from the left side of it. Okay. And whenever we get that is index of 7, 0. So we have to see the output from the right side of this. Okay. So now if you see that is 7 value is 1, means 7th index value is 1. So that's why we are going for the left side of it. So what is the value here? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. How many numbers of ones are there? 2. So that's it. So we got the output 2. Okay. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So like that we are working. So on this we have to do the code, that is our extension part. Okay. So next. So now another thing is one hot coding. Okay. So why we are going for the both TCR? So which one is fast, which one is taking less consuming, less power consumption? Then we can use it for our application. For those purpose, we are taking like TCR and OHR. Okay. So OHR in the sense the name itself indicate one hot, means at a time only one is high. Okay. So suppose same example, A is 4, B is 5. So A is 4. So A is 4 in the sense how I can write this. So I have to write this like 0, 0, 0, 1, and then next 0, 0, 0, 0. It will be written like this. So if you see the index, so this is my 0th index, this is my first index, this is second index, this is third index, this is fourth index, and this is fifth index, and sixth and seventh. So A is 4 kada. So 4 undi kabatti this is enable at fourth position. Now B is 5. So B is equals to 5. So for whatever the value of B, we have to add 1. Okay. So total nothing but 6. So 6 times we have to circular shift A. We have to circular shift A. Let us see how we can make a circular shift. So first shift. So this 0 will come here at 0 index. So 0, then next 0,
Zero.
then next 0, then next 0, then next 0, then 1, 0,
Zero. Zero.
0. Okay, so this is the first. So it's next second. So this becomes here, then 0, 0, 0, 0, then next again 0, then 0, then 1, then 0. Okay, so now again 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, so 0, the next 0, the next 1. So how many times we have completed? 3 times, 4 times.
Yes.
Okay. So next, this one will go here. Now 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0. Then next, this 0 will go here. So now 0, 1, 0, 0, and 4 zeros here. 0, 0, 0, 0. And now last time. Okay. So that is, I will write here. So 0, 1, sorry, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Got it? So now this is the last shift we got. Now what we have to do, we have to give the index for this. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6, and this is my 7th index. So now just tell me what is the output? That equals to
2.
2, because it is high at second index. That's it. So what I'm going, what I have done here, A is 5, sorry, A is 4 and B is 5. What I have
5.
done, 5 plus 4, that is 9.
Yes.
9 modulus of 7 I have taken. So 9 modulus of 7 we got, that equals to 2. That's it. Got it?
Yes.
That is what we done here. Nothing other than that. That's it. Got it?
Yes. Yes.
Means we are not doing much complication operations over there. Okay, by using this shifting and operation or operation, we will get the output here. Okay, means we are not going for the XOR gates, XNOR gates, all those things. So this is the advantage. So if we do like this, so then the power consumption delay is getting reduced in this step. Okay, so that is why we are going for the this one, like TCR one hot coding. Okay,
Okay.
so one thing I, one thing I will let you know. So first thing is RNS, the next is LNS. So these type of number system used in the cryptography, because the output of these number systems can't get revert back to the input. Okay, can't revert back to the input very easily. Okay, so whenever this happens, so that type of applications we can use in the cryptography. Okay, that number systems. So here what we are doing, we are just studying for RNS addition and subtraction. Okay. So next what we are doing, we are moving for the extension. What is that extension in the sense? So one thing is thermometer coding, and second thing is
One hot.
one
One
hot
hot.
coding. So this is what we are going for the extension, and we are trying to reduce the power consumption and delay of the circuits. But,
Yes.
so this is what overall your project representation is. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, code I will send it to you. No, not to worry. Okay. So if you want the explanation, so I will do code explanation even. Not to worry about that. Okay. So
Okay.
once I complete, I will share with you.
Okay, sir.
But, yeah.
In coding, whatever the thermometer coding or one hot coding, sir, will be implementing in
Xilinx.
coding it's Xilinx itself.
Yeah, Xilinx.
Function of backend work, sir, like any
No,
circuitry
no,
implementation. We can.
no, we don't need backend work here. So this is a front end paper. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is a front end one. Okay.
Ah,
Yeah. Okay then.
okay, sir. Compared to TCR or one hot coding, sir, which will
Ah,
be getting the better one now
so
compared to.
yeah, that thing whenever we implement, we can go for the its reports over there. Okay, then we can get. Suppose see if TCR getting like 10 nanoseconds time. Okay, if TCR is getting like 10 nanoseconds of delay whenever I am doing some circuit like for addition like this. Okay, and in OHR we are getting like 9. So then it is said that OHR itself fast. Even 1 nanosecond is also fast. Okay, as compared to the TCR. Got it. If we get a delay of 1 also, then that is considered as fast one. Okay.
Yeah.
In this,
So now,
చెప్పండి.
excuse me. So now in coding, we'll be comparing the both. We'll be working on both. Whatever the
Yeah.
better results we will be getting,
Yes, that we
we'll
can use for
conclude
the
yeah, we'll
applications.
conclude that that application is better
Ah,
than this.
yeah, that is the thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
And sir, in example, just now we have said taken 9. We have got 9 no, sir. A and B. A we have
Ah,
taken 4 and B. Mod
yes.
we have divided it by 7.
Yeah.
That module it will be giving. They will be like how we can take that module only 7. It's our wish, no, sir.
Yes, all the prime numbers. Suppose if it is add
So the
8. Suppose see
yeah.
if it is 8. So let us see how we can do with the 8. Okay. So for 8, same A plus same thing. A equals to 4, B equals to 5, 8 bits. So 8 in the sense mod 8 here. I will take mod 8. Output I will get that is 1 here. So let us see. So here one extra bit that is 0 is added, and one extra bit that is 0 because same representation. So this is 4 representation, this is 5th representation. So just tell me now how many zeros are there? 5 zeros. So here 5 zeros in the sense add 2 zeros more here for our output. Now what you have to take, just 1 minute. So give the index one by one. So now this is my first, this is my second, this is my third, this is my fourth, this is my fifth. हाँ फोन आले देख बोल तो. This is sixth, this is seventh, this is 8, this is 9, and this is 10, this is 11, this is 12, this is 13, and this is 14. Got it?
Yes.
Now what is I am doing for the mod 8 kada. So take 8. So 8 is 1 in the sense we have to take from the output from the left side. So if it is 0, we have to take output from the right side. So what you got here? So what is the representation over here? 0 0 0 0 0 1. Nothing but it is 1. Got it?
Yes.
Like that we have to do. That's it.
Okay. Okay. Now just we are going with RNS based coding. That's enough, sir.
Yeah, RNS is it's enough. Okay.
Yeah. No need of LNS.
No need. So no need of
So
that. So any one of the extension we are doing. So that's enough.
yeah. Any one of the TSC or one hot coding extension we are doing
Yeah,
based on
yeah,
RNS.
yeah. Based on RNS. Okay.
RNS. Okay, sir. That's enough.
Got it?
Thank you. Yeah. This
Okay.
is what the
Okay.
implementation.
Yeah, this is what the implementation. And
Methodology is just what TC.
yeah. Okay. Got it?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay then. Okay. Bye.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
సార్ చెప్పండి మేడం.
Sir, then we can. I'm just asking about the title, sir. Then we can implement it as an implementation of RNS based thermometer coding or one hot coding. We can keep it like that, sir.
Yes, of course. Of